Model, 2017 Citroen Relay 33 L1H1 short wheelbase, BLUEHDI 110 6-speed Enterprise noisy engine VAT, included. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 78,527. Engine, 1997 ccDW10 FUEA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, cruise control, 2 keys, parking sensors, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,450 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.